Hey everyone, welcome back to Christian Stimulus. Today, we're going to review Pictory, a platform that helps you create engaging visual stories for your business. To show you just how easy Pictory.io is to work with, we created and filmed this entire video in just under 25 minutes. Pictory.io is truly an awesome tool for creating videos from scripts or even other videos. As Christian entrepreneurs, it's essential to find tools that align with our values and help us grow our businesses. So, let's dive into Pictory and see if it's the right fit for us. First, let's talk about Pictory's features. Pictory uses AI to automatically generate video summaries from articles, making it easy to create engaging content for your audience. This can save us time and effort, allowing us to focus on spreading our message and growing our businesses. Another great feature of Pictory is its customization options. You can choose from various templates, fonts, and colors to make your videos unique and on-brand. This is important for us as entrepreneurs because we want our content to reflect our values and resonate with our audience. Now, let's discuss some of the pros of using Pictory. One major advantage is its ease of use. With its intuitive interface and AI-powered features, even those with limited video editing experience can create professional-looking videos. This is great for entrepreneurs who may not have a background in video production but still want to create high-quality content. However, there are some cons to consider as well. Pictory's AI-generated summaries may not always perfectly capture the essence of an article, so you might need to make some manual adjustments. Additionally, the platform may not have as many advanced editing features as other video editing tools, which could be a drawback for some users. To give you a better understanding of how Pictory works, let's walk through the process of creating a video. First, you'll need to input the URL of the article you want to summarize. Pictory will then analyze the content and generate a video summary. You can preview the video and make any necessary adjustments to the text, images, or layout. Once you're satisfied with your video, you can customize it further by adding your logo, choosing a color scheme, and selecting a font that matches your brand. Pictory also offers a variety of templates to help you create a consistent look and feel across all your videos. After customizing your video, you can download it in various formats, such as MP4 or GIF, and share it on your social media channels or embed it on your website. Pictory also provides analytics to help you track the performance of your videos, so you can see which ones resonate most with your audience. In conclusion, Pictory is a user-friendly platform that can help Christian entrepreneurs create engaging visual stories for their businesses. While it may have some limitations, its ease of use and customization options make it a valuable tool for those looking to create high-quality content. If you're interested in trying Pictory for yourself, be sure to check it out and see if it aligns with your needs and values. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Christian Stimulus content. God bless.